What if I tell you that this single app can give you access to watch the latest movies, TV series, live TV, and live sports, all for free? Yes, you heard me. All for free. The name of the app is called Netfly. This app is far better than Netflix, and it's absolutely free. Now let's get to it. This app will work on any Android operating system. It could be old Firestick, Android boxes, Android phones, etc. But for this tutorial, I am using an Amazon Firestick 4K Max. Before we download the app, we will first of all get the app called Downloader. Download or sideload any app into the Amazon Fire TV stick. Click on the Search tab. Yes, the magnifying glass. The keyboard will open. Now type in Downloader. Once you type the letter D, Downloader will pop up. Click on it to download. Click on Download, you own it. Wait for it to download and install. Now that the downloader is installed, it will open automatically and bring up terms and conditions for you to accept. Click on OK or Accept. Now click on the Home button. Click on Settings. Click on My Fire TV. Click on About. Click Amazon Fire TV 8 times. This is to enable us to download stuffs from different or unknown sources. You will now see, no need, you are already a developer. Once that is displayed, click the back button on the remote and click again on My Fire TV. Right now, you should be able to see the developer option. Click on Developer Options. Click on Install Unknown Apps. Click the downloader to turn it on. Then click on the Home button to go home. Now you have completed the first stage. We will now download Netfly through the downloader. To do this, go to Apps. Scroll down until you see Downloader. Click on it. If this is the first time you use the downloader, it may give you some information, but just click OK. Now, right on top of the search, click on it to open up the keyboard. Type in this link, tiny.cc/netfly. Remember, the N is a capital letter. Click Next. After a short wait, the file will start downloading. Click Install. Click Done. Click Delete. Delete. This is only uninstalling the file and not the app. It is always advisable to delete files after installation to free up space on the Amazon Fire TV stick. Now that the app is downloaded, let me show you where to find it and also pin it to the top screen. Now click the Home button to go home. Click on Apps. Scroll to the end. The newest download will always be the last app in this section. That's it! This is Netfly, an all-in-one app, a must-have. To pin it to the top, highlight the Netfly app. Click on the menu button on your remote control. That's the button with the 3 lines. Now choose to move to the front. Click on the Home button, and with this method, you will always have your favorite apps on the top screen. That's all done now. You have one of the most fantastic all-in-one apps for movies, live TV, live sports, and many, many more. If this video has helped you, please do support us by clicking on the subscribe button, like and share this video. You can watch our other videos for more apps. Thanks a lot.